afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanjay and I take care of Hangar Door division in Gandhi Automation. It's a Bombay-based company, and we are into this field for last 26 years. Definitely, I'm not going to talk about the normal door because people know very well about normal doors. They place in their houses. We are going to talk about large access door, which is being installed in hangars as well as shipyards. So we are going to cover about Gandhi Automation, and then what are the certifications and licenses we have, what is our solution, and what all prestigious projects we have done in India and abroad. Before I start my presentation, I just want to give you overview of MRO activity, which is going to which is happening in India actually. So if you'll see by 2034, the compounded annual growth rate will be 12.1%. So it is, if we see globally, it is hardly 3.8%, whereas we are growing by 12.4%. So there is a huge opportunity for civil as well as defense aviations to invest in this field and to take support from even civil partners for defense MRO activities. So we have completed just 28 years of our manufacturing. To support our customers, we have 24/7 support lines. We follow standards like ISA and FAA to produce these products. And we are having 1,100 employees in our factory, which make this company a successful company. And more than 70% materials we used from India only. These are our three divisions, mainly Hangar Door division, Entrance Automation division, and Loading Bay Equipment. So if you talk about entrance automation, we make motorized rolling shutters, gates, and high-speed doors. This is a small presentation of our factory. So we are ISO 9001 certified company. We are also certified with 14001 and 45001. So this is related to safety, environment, and quality. We are also accredited by Star House by Government of India because we are exporting to 72 countries, and our all products are CE confirmed. For hangar doors, we have Euro certifications, which is mandate from the European suppliers, European buyers. So we have European certifications for these doors, and we make all these doors as per the standards of Europe. We did some of the projects with US Army, so they require a USAC approval. So this is a third-party engineering confirmation from US, which has been done for our doors, and we have supplied to US Defense. This is basically the important topic which I am going to discuss about hangar doors, what we do exactly in hangar doors. So we are the only supplier in Southeast Asia for both types of door, vertical hangar doors and sliding hangar doors. If you talk about these doors, we in-house design these doors, manufacture, and then installation. We also have our entire installation team, in-house installation team, which go and do these installations. And these are all as per the compliances of ISA and FAA. If you'll see how these doors work. So there are different codes of planes. So on those type of planes, what we do, we take the details from the customer, and then we devise the doors as per their plane requirement. This is the mechanism, how this door works. This is vertical lifting door. So this was basically vertical lifting fabric door, and now this is the specification of vertical lifting fabric door. Up to 40 meters we can install these doors, and this is made of PVC and extruded aluminum. PVC is fire retardant fabric, so it will douse the fire. It will help that at least there should not be fire in the hangar actually. And up to 200 km per hour speed we can devise this doors. These are certain features of doors. What I would suggest, if anybody is having any requirement, we can have a discussion one-to-one on that. So this is one schematic of hangar door with almost 6 leaf and 5 mullions. So I will show how it works actually. So when I'm pressing L1, the L1, the leaf 1 is going up. Same way L2, leaf 2, leaf 3. You can you have to press the buttons and these sleeves will go up. But now there are in between mullions are there which has to go up, then only the plane can enter inside the hangar. So now M12 is the mullion which will go up. Similar way, second mullion, third mullion, fourth and fifth. Now your hangar is completely free from any obstruction. The plane can go inside immediately. There is no problem in any entering into the hangar. And if you see here, it is a stacking height. The sleeve which was up to bottom, that has gone up and it has a stacking height. That stacking height has to be provided when you are putting this door. Beyond that, there will be motors which will pull these leaves, and there is a stacking height for motors also, which is 1 meter. So this is basically a mechanism of vertical lifting door, where you don't require any civil work, no ground work. Simply you have to put your door with side guides and it will go up. So this is the clear width is 247 meter and height is 23 meter. Now we'll talk about sliding hangar door. This is the second type of door which we manufacture, which is currently mainly used by Indian Air Force and other old players. So this is related to sliding hangar door specifications. Normally, in most of the tenders, people specify the products and then they go for this product. So essentially, it is very important that you should understand the product and then specify in your tender. Otherwise, you will buy from a local fabricator and then you will land into problem for getting services. This is one of the schematic of sliding hangar door, how this door works. Yeah, please. You can ask, sir. I can.
The question is, we are running late, is it? I was chief engineer of Southwestern Air Command, Gandhi. So I must have erected many such doors. Always had a positive impression about your company, though there could have been reasons why we didn't use yours. It's finally a free market economy. So the point is, why don't you bring out how many are using sliding doors in India in your competition?
In my competition?
In competition with your company in the Indian spectrum, how many are using sliding hangar doors?
There are few players actually.
So this brings you to a niche.
Right.
So can you explain to the audience in 2 minutes as to why sliding doors are better?
Sir, it is not that way. That only
sliding doors are not better?
No, it is not that way, sir. Because understand it depends upon application.
So now I tell you, in a huge setup like in India, there are many places where not you or your competitors, where people have fitted doors which are not functioning.
Very true. Very true.
Right.
Right.
So can you throw 2 lines only?
So I have.
Because he says that the time is short. I am highlighting that part to you, which employers like me will be interested.
So I will come to that point. I will come to that point. What I will do, I will cut short my presentation. We'll go to I was just showing there are multiple options in these doors, which normally people don't know. That is why we are showing this presentation, that at least you should come to know. Okay, fine. These are the options available for you. So like if you'll see, this is unidirectional movement of doors. So clear height is 26 meter and you will get a clear width of 188 meters here. So you can park your plane in this clear opening. And then you can have a facility that you can move the doors on another plane here. So in a limited space, how to utilize your parking space. From this door, you can do this. This is the door configuration. So height is 23 meter and leaf width is 31 meters. So each leaf has a dimension. On that dimensions, we devise the door. So there are standards like sir was talking what has to be done when you are going for a door. So when you are putting into a tender, these specifications has to be put there. Then only you can remove the local fabricators where after 6 months or 1 year you are facing challenges that these doors are not working. What has to be done in that case? So there are different type of claddings. Again, people only know 0.5 mm galvalume sheet, whereas we are providing polyurethane foam and polycarbonate also, which is related to temperature control and harsh weather conditions, where we can give you this type of materials. If you want vision panel on the leaves, we can provide that. If you want pedestrian doors, that also is possible. This is one safety edge which is on the each leaf to protect from any incident or accidents. So these are the key features basically for both the doors. As sir was saying that sliding hanger door, why it is good or bad. So both the doors are good subject to your wind conditions, wind locations, and as per what is your requirement. You want to do MRO activity or you just want to have you want to park your planes over there. These are some projects, prestigious projects which we have done. This is in Jakarta. We have done 15 meter into 23 meter height sliding hanger door. This we have done in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This you can see 230 meters width and that height is 26 meter. This is again vertical lifting door. Recently we have completed, this is one of the biggest MRO company which is FL Technics, where we have put polyurethane material on the panels. Again, this we have done in MRO Dubai. This we have done for US Army Corps, where we have supplied 4 number of doors, which was sliding hanger doors. This is in Al Jaber Air Base. And we have done in Al Dafra, which is vertical lifting one. So these doors were certified by professional engineers from US. Fine, I will do that. I will come to the last point. This we have recently completed in Oli for Indian Air Force. See, these are the challenges normally your buyer faces. So the issue is what? Lack of awareness. People don't know what they have to buy and how they are just putting in the tender which was published last time from their department. So what I would request that at least give us some time, we can expose this product to your team so that they can go and devise new tender norms and they can have a good product. Again, normally we say that don't allow people to fabricate on the site, because when you talk about precision, talk about wind load and wind conditions, that is only possible when you are designing the product properly and manufacturing at factory, because at the site you cannot maintain the wind loads and other parameters of the door. If you talk about scope, again, what is happening actually normally in tenders, it is being scoped in the PEB actually. And PEBs are not aware of what type of door and is to be installed. So simply they are going to a local fabricator and they are saying they want sliding hanger door, because normally still people in India are not using vertical lifting door, which is a new technology. So what we request that at least you take the complete details from us and then float the tender. Let people should participate and follow that norms actually. If you will take these doors from India or from a renowned manufacturer, in that case you will get a proper service even after warranty period, because normally the manufacturers are keeping spare parts and they can provide you proper services. Thank you. Thanks for giving your valuable time to us. Thanks.